And what is up, guys? Technicals Tinkers here, checking in on our little 3D print operation for today. If you're new to the channel, uninitiated or unfamiliar, I own a business that has nothing to do with 3D printing, but I'm trying it here at home for side income, side hustle type thing, and it seems to be working out. Sales have been fantastic. So if you're not subscribed already, subscribe to the channel, follow along in the fun. Hopefully doing a giveaway here soon once we hit, say 10,000 subscribers. Gonna be looking forward to that. Subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments. Let's see what's going on here. So lots of stuff. Didn't really plan on vlogging today. I've been saying that quite often, but order came through that was gonna tie up all the printers, and so they're all chooching. Let's see, let's start from the top. Actually, the only ones not going are the bamboos, which are usually the ones that are going because I don't really have anything to print on them. But all the Kobra 2 Maxes are running, the Soval, the Orange Storm Giga. All right, so you may recall I sell crypto mining type stuff, usually from my other channel, and someone came through and bought 6 of the vertical I call them mining stands. They're like for CPU mining, AI rigs, salad rigs, things like that. Someone came through and bought 6, and so this particular model only fits on the Kobra 2 Max. It's a little bit big for any of the other printers. Now I have one going on the Soval, but I have to print the 2 pieces independently, and I've got what looked like a little lift here, but it's just the brim that came up, so the rest of the model should be okay. But printing over here on the Soval, got one up here on Kobra 1, 2, 3, and 4. I actually removed the 1mm nozzle on my Kobra 2 Max in favor of the 0.4, just to standardize everything. Everything's running swimmingly, really with the exception of number 4. That's because I was running TPU down there for a doorstop and just testing out to see how TPU, what the whole buzz about it was. But I guess it clogged up the nozzle and I had to swap it out. Let's roll that. What great fun, motion lapse, love this camera. But if you recall, previously on the plates, I had all of these smoke stashes that I've been printing for my stores. It's like a sale promo thing. It holds lighters and pre-rolls and whatnot. I've been producing those kind of slowly, so I had to pull all those off. Luckily for me, I'm not gonna have to take off all the supports and stuff like that. They're gonna work on that at the store. So I'm gonna take all of these, load them up, take them over there, and if it gets to the point where it's like, this is just not working out, then I want, sounds like I have to print more of them. You know, you should probably make sure your box is in a secure location. We're gonna try to get artistic with it. And kind of what I was talking about in the previous video, I've been selling consistently lately. Skulls, things in the store, skulls on my art print, Etsy, stuff, crypto mining stuff. I had a few shroud orders last week and now these mining stands. So the orders are starting to flow in pretty consistently. I do not run Etsy ads or do any kind of advertising other than what's going on here. But again, I don't expect many of you to be buying 3D prints. Although, special thanks to, I think, 4 or 5 people who actually bought the Ultimate Pen Cup 3D model to 3D print, and 1 person bought the USB Trigon. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for that. And man, I would just love to sell designs all day because that's super easy. I don't have to ship anything. It's just money. Well, after Etsy takes their VIG or whatever, just money straight into the bank. So that's good too. But the real story down here is the Orange Storm Giga. You might remember I printed that small Cubone skull from Pokemon. I thought, you know what, the Giga's free. Let's print a big one. This one's gonna be massive. It's that's just the bottom of it. It's a 3.5 day print. I got 55 hours left, so it's gonna take a while. Definitely gonna have to tap into a second 5 kilogram spool of white PLA down there. But this one, all said, comes out to I think about 36 inches high from the back to the front. So that'd be a good interest decoration piece in the stores. Finally too, if anyone was looking for closure about my little carriage painting thing for slat wall, I actually found a cheaper source for the black vinyl tape. So that one's not gonna happen. It actually didn't work out all that great. Just wasn't able to get enough paint down there to make it like go quick enough. So found some cheaper rolls there. That's nothing to do with 3D printing, but it's part of the vlog, I guess. My next thing too pertains to prints for like popular prints over the past 30 days. I've been working on a video for that. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna release it because it's time sensitive. So my idea was to go to the 3 main popular file sites for 3D prints and just see what the most downloaded or popular thing was for the past 30 days. And then kind of cherry pick, you know, 1 or 2 models from each site. feature it in a video, you know, that should get some traffic. And again, I understand this is part of the meta. This is not strictly, well, it's 3D print related, but it's more about the meta. And so I've been working on that. But the most popular models were kind of dumb stuff. You know, there's like slinky dragons and stuff in there. And I also wanted something functional, something art-based. So like one of the designs here, this is for masking tape. You know, you can tear off masking tape. I printed a funnel here roll some B-roll. Had to change the oil on my mower. It didn't have a funnel, so I'm like, I'll 3D print a funnel, and so I did that. So again, I'd love to know what your thoughts are, because if you're watching this, you're one of the hardcore pipe hitting stinker fans. If you want to see something like that, or more importantly, if you think people at large, the public, the masses, would care to see something like that. Your feedback is invaluable as a YouTube enjoyer, as a stinkers enjoyer. So let me know, help me shape my destiny with that. Let me know if you'd like to see that kind of content, or at least my spin on that kind of content. So the name of the game for today is to print out those 6 mining stands, get that order off. It's like 140 bucks. You know, high markup order. It just takes a long time to print it, and I'm kind of get scared and like anxious about getting orders out the door immediately. And so it came in last night. I'm not going to be able to ship it today. Hopefully I'll be able to ship it tomorrow, because my window to ship things is very tight day to day. So hopefully getting that out, hopefully continuing to work on these various things, also on the most popular prints video, and just continue to make the sales. And I'm not exactly sure why, but hey, I'm not going to look a gift horse in the mouth, especially people downloading the digital files. If you want to download any of those, I sell them right off my Etsy. I don't have a cult, or I don't have a, you know, any of those other sites. I just keep everything on Etsy, so try to make it convenient. If you want to check those out, link in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching, and guys providing your feedback. It's invaluable to me as I shape the channel. Someone asked if I have chew in my mouth when I do the videos. No, I just have a fat face and I'm ugly. But now I certainly have something new to obsess over and have body dysmorphia over. So thank you to the kind person there. Let me know your best insult for me in the comments below. Be sure to like the video, because it's the nice thing to do, and subscribe for more content like this. I'm the Tentacles. See you next time.